Today Naitik Mishra with us who got selected in All India Sainik School. He has done his preparation from our institution Adiman tutorials. Welcome Naitik Mishra and lots of congratulations for your great success in the following examination of All India Sainik School. Can you tell us how you felt after knowing that you are selected in All India Sainik School?
Yes, I am feeling so happy today, and I achieved success because of my teacher and parents. If they don't support me, so I am not here. This is my first achievement that get me closer to become an army officer.
Okay. What are your plannings and strategies for your preparation?
The planning of my preparation is given by my parents and teachers. Firstly, my parents are finding a preparatory institute for me. They found Adiman tutorial for me, and I also do so many research about All India Sainik School. I started preparation after consulting with my teacher. The teachers of Adiman tutorial motivate and support me in tough situations.
As you have said that you prepared from our institution Adiman tutorials, can you tell us something about your preparatory institute, how they help you in your preparation?
Yes, Adiman tutorial play an important and major role to crack the All India Sainik School entrance exam. As the teachers are very energetic, actively and passionately involved in preparation, and this kind of focused strategy helped me a lot through the journey of my preparation.
Okay, then last question for you. What would you like to say with upcoming aspirants?
There are some kind of myth regarding this exam. Firstly, students should need to follow the teacher's guidance. Secondly, focused and quality hours of study with right strategy is enough to get through this exam. At the last, revision and previous year question paper is need of ours.
Thank you, Naitik Mishra, for sharing your experience with us and all the best for your upcoming future.